for you. What? Ah. Daddy say you know what? Daddy make her go back. Daddy, you like una road like this? Daddy, what's the happen? Daddy, now you me want meet. Daddy, you like this road like this? Daddy, you like this road like this? I go report now. Say, Daddy, like this road like this. My brother, follow me. Una well done for this place, so una good morning, okay? Well done, sir. Our business. Daddy, well done, sir. Okay, how una dey see una road for that case pass? It be like una like am.
No, the road is very bad.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So what do you have to say about the road now? Because customers are complaining that whatever they are buying here, they are always coming to replace that same particular thing in every 2 months. Is it supposed to be so?
What they are buying is because of the road. That is why the fault is coming. If the road is okay, it's moderable, everything is okay, the pass will last longer. But when the road is bad, no matter how quality the pass will quality damage.
So what is the advice? What advice do you have to say about this?
What I'm trying to tell public or government is that to try to fix the road. Immediately the road is being fixed, everything will go smoothly.
Thank you very much, sir. God bless you. My brother, you go follow me, make we go ask our Gakpata also that if we ask them now, we don't get the result of what we want to get. I'm not forgetting not be one question we want to ask our Gakpata for this market. Because we don't see them just now and we go ask them that question. Make it not be like say we come bypass, we come on like that. No. We need to know from the source. My brother, follow me, make we go. I mean, well done, no. Well done, man. Well done, sir. I heard they enjoy the market today. Daddy, well done, no. Daddy, I want to come out, oh. And I say I go see you before I come out. Okay, well done, sir. Okay, you be buyer for this market, I be seller.
I be buyer, but
be buyer.
Yes, so but the way I see this market, my brother, no supposed to be like this, so.
So what be your own view and what do you see for the market?
What they see for this market, government need to come here and do the road, because these people, this market, they generate revenue for government, and government supposed to come and.
Look me. So that
and they look.
That.
Yes.
So that is this, again from your own opinion. What do you get for this road?
I come this market make I come bypass, they repair my motor. But the way I see the road, it be like. In fact, it be like where pig, where they train pig. The market is dirty, no road, everywhere full of erosion. And this market they generate revenue for those state government. At least government supposed to intervene, come and do the road for the market. Or the market, the union, they go to government and complain to government, so that if government don't listen to them, so that they can close the market and use the revenue they are generating here and do the market and do the road, so that the market will be good. That is my own suggestion. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Daddy. Yeah. As a buyer now, come, Daddy, I'm never through with you. As a buyer now, what did you buy before and what did you buy now? Now the same.
My brother, this one,
I'm making up like say we not ask you question. Daddy, you get what you to talk and you get what you want to talk. Make you tell us people here.
No, my brother had already talk what he would in my mind. Really, the way he stayed there for now,
short.
Not be able to times 3, now times 100. So, what we they buy before? The way the system increased too much. Me and mechanic, the way the system past increase too much. Like this very one, this one a fuse. This fuse we they buy before. This fuse not pass 150, 300. But now they tell me say 1,500, 2,000 naira.
For fuse?
Yes.
Hey, not be smart in the happen no. But anyway, we don't come meet our Gakpata. You know good say we come house. Concrete person, we not see Papa before we come out. You know good. At least we go come see Papa more ask Papa say what's in the happen. Because the kind of the way we dey hear, you not good for ear. Even if he himself hear them, he have to talk so that we go give people say make una see what they talk will not be waiting they happen for the place. So make una see them. Thank you very much, Daddy. Daddy, why don't know? We don't come meet you now. Concrete you. Daddy, well done. This na Edo United online station where we say it dey go viral for the whole world. Na person na call our station say Edo United TV wetin una dey do? Na no go Edake's papers go see wetin dey happen. Motorists dey complain say pass wey dem dey buy for this market na fake. Now the green or say make una go check am. Now oga say make una no dey ask outside, make una go there direct to the source. Now I begin come this market direct by myself say I will come this market. So that the questions wey I don dey ask them since make e no be like say I no ask you. Now you be the chairman for this market. Be like say now you be the head for this market. That's why I come direct. And all the questions wey I don ask them, I go ask you. Okay. Yeah. So daddy, they say wetin they sell for this market na fake, na truth.
Na lie.
Okay. Daddy, people say wetin they buy before 100 naira. Now they sell at 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira for them. Not true.
The things cost now because of the rate of the economic. Everything they sell for this market here now, it come because of the economic way high. So we dey get grade by grade issue. So when somebody come now and say, you tell us say this thing now 10,000, you go say you no get that kind of money. I ain't go to drive the motor. So you tell and say the one of 8,000 a day. If you say you no get that kind of money, then you sit and say you get the one of 5,000. You go back, you say, this one go let her use, you go say, he go let you use. You go say, go stay 2 or you go reach like 3 months, you go say, if you even pass. So you go back, you go put for a motor. Now because the rate of the economic way we did for the country, that be that. So that's what the thing be. Thank you.
Okay, daddy. Daddy, how una dey see una road for Edake? Una like am like this?
Well, we not like am like this. We not be big, but how we go do now? So we not get any other alternative to do now. The market not get the funds to repair the road. So we see the beg government make them come to our head so that they go do it for us. Many government they come here promise, but we know they see the promise. So that's what it be.
Thank you very much, daddy. Daddy, wetin be your name and who you be for this market?
Now maybe the current chairman Edake Motors Papers. My name now Omoruyi Odiasi from Edo State.
Thank you very much, daddy. God bless you. My people, as you can see, we don't come to the final notice of today. We don't miss the Oga of the market, the current chairman of Edake's Papers. Make una say and say wetin na dey talk, wetin people dey talk for outside, not be wetin they talk for inside. Because they say if you come to the direct source, now you go know wetin dey happen. People they say wetin they buy for Edake's Papers, e no good. Now we say make we come on as it. So una they say and say wetin una dey buy, na cost of una road, na in the cost am. And wetin una dey buy for here, not be say they buy am for market. They go buy am for market, they go even sell am for una cheap for this side. Make una try dey appreciate to abeg all those motorists. Make una no forget say this na Edo United TV. Click on our subscription button to get more of our videos and click on your notification button so that if we drop this na Edake's Papers road, the people are complaining that the road is very very bad for the motorists. The buyers are complaining that they can't even bring their cars into the market to buy before they buy. They have to park somewhere and start to check. As you can see, this road is very very bad and the people are complaining. They are begging the state government to come to their aid because they don't have enough funds to fix up the road. So don't forget to click on our YouTube channel to watch more of our videos and follow us on YouTube to get more updates. Thank you very much. This Edo United TV. Stay tuned and God bless you.